The Rambler 20 ounces. Tumbler is the epitome of durability and functionality. Its stainless steel construction, combined with double-wall vacuum insulation, ensures that your hot or cold beverage stays at the perfect temperature no matter what. But that's not all. The Rambler 20 ounces. Tumbler comes equipped with the innovative YETI mag slider lid. This unique lid harnesses the power of magnets to securely lock in your water, beer, or favorite drink. It adds an extra layer of protection, keeping your beverage contained and preventing any unwanted heat or cold from escaping. However, it's important to note that while the mag slider lid is highly effective at keeping your drink in place, it is not leak-proof. So, be cautious when handling your tumbler to avoid any spills. Cleaning up is a breeze with the Rambler 20 ounces. Tumbler as it is dishwasher safe. Plus, Yeti's no-sweat design ensures that your hands stay dry, no matter how cold or hot your drink is. Say goodbye to slippery cups and hello to comfort and convenience. And let's not forget about style. The Rambler 20 ounces. Tumbler features a tough Duracoat coating on its colored tumblers. This coating is built to withstand the test of time and won't crack, peel, or fade. So, you can enjoy your tumbler's vibrant appearance for years to come. In terms of size, the YETI 20 ounces. Rambler tumbler stands at a height of 6 7/8 inches with a lip diameter of 3/2 inches. It's designed to fit perfectly in standard-sized cup holders, adding to its portability and convenience. When you choose the Rambler 20 ounces tumbler, you're not just getting a beverage container, but a reliable companion that will keep your drinks at their optimum temperature while withstanding the rigors of everyday use. Experience the excellence of Yeti's craftsmanship and elevate your drinking experience with the Rambler 20 ounces. Tumbler today. Introducing the RTIC 20 ounces insulated tumbler, the ultimate companion for your on-the-go drinks. This stainless steel tumbler with a spill-proof lid is available in sizes of 20 ounces, 30 ounces, and 40 ounces, and comes in a variety of stylish colors. What sets this tumbler apart is its double-wall insulation. Using vacuum technology and an airtight seal, it keeps your beverages ice-cold or piping hot for extended periods. Whether you crave a refreshing cold drink or a cozy cup of hot coffee, this travel mug has got you covered. One of the standout features of this insulated tumbler is its versatility. It's designed to accommodate both hot and cold drinks, making it perfect for any occasion. Enjoy a cup of tea in the morning, knowing that the tumbler's sweat-proof exterior will keep the outside dry and your hands comfortable. Crafted from sleek 18/8 stainless steel, this tumbler doesn't just offer durability, it exudes style too. It's the ideal coffee mug for your car, a trusty companion for your travel adventures, an essential for camping trips, and even a handy cup for your RV travels. Wherever you go, take this tumbler along and savor every sip in style. No more worries about accidental spills, thanks to the secure lid design. The flip-top, screw-on closure lid ensures that your drinks stay exactly where they should be, inside the tumbler. With this spill-proof coffee tumbler, you can confidently carry it with you, knowing that your beverage is safe and secure. And here's the cherry on top, the narrow and tall design of this tumbler fits perfectly into most cup holders. That means you can easily take it with you on your car rides, outdoor adventures, or wherever your travels may lead you. Upgrade your drinking experience with the RTIC 20 ounces insulated tumbler. It's the perfect blend of style, functionality, and convenience. So grab your favorite color, pack it with your beverage of choice, and hit the road, knowing that you have the ideal travel companion by your side. Introducing the TempShield Double-Wall Vacuum Insulated Bottle. With its advanced TempShield technology, this bottle keeps your drink at the perfect temperature for hours. The closable press-in lid prevents spills and tames splashes. It's compatible with straws, too. You can also use the large press-in straw lid and large closable press-in lid for added convenience. It fits most cup holders, making it perfect for on-the-go adventures. The Color Last powder coat is durable, sweat-free, and vibrant, adding a pop of color to your life. The 18/8 Pro-grade stainless steel construction ensures durability and pure taste. No flavor transfer. It's BPA-free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Remember, It's not suitable for a stove, microwave, or freezer. Follow usage guidelines. And always keep hot liquids out of reach of children for their safety. Upgrade your hydration game with the Temp Shield bottle today. Cheers to a better drinking experience. Introducing the Clean Kanteen Insulated Tumbler 16 ounces with straw lid, the ultimate companion for all your beverage needs. With its innovative climate lock double wall vacuum insulation, this tumbler ensures that your drinks stay hot or cold for hours on end. Whether it's enjoying a piping hot coffee in the morning or sipping on a refreshing iced tea in the afternoon, this tumbler keeps your beverages at the perfect temperature. Made from 18/8 food-grade stainless steel, this tumbler is built to last. The chip-resistant clean coat finish not only adds durability but also gives it a sleek and modern look that you'll love. It's designed to withstand the rigors of everyday use, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor adventures. One of the unique features of this tumbler is its electro-polished interior. This means that it doesn't retain or impart any flavors, so your drinks taste exactly as they should, without any unwanted aftertaste. Whether you're enjoying a delicate herbal tea or a bold, full-bodied coffee, the taste remains pure and unaltered. And here's the best part, the Clean Kanteen Insulated Tumbler 16 ounces with straw lid is BPA-free, ensuring that your health and well-being are always a top priority. You can sip with peace of mind, knowing that no harmful chemicals will leach into your beverages. So, whether you're heading to the office, hitting the gym, or going on a weekend adventure, this tumbler is your perfect companion. It keeps your drinks at the ideal temperature, provides durability with its chip-resistant finish, maintains the true taste of your beverages with its electro-polished interior, and ensures your safety by being BPA-free. Upgrade your drinking experience today with the Clean Kanteen Insulated Tumbler 16 ounces with straw lid and enjoy every sip in style and confidence. Cheers to convenience, sustainability, and pure refreshment. Introducing the Flip Traveler, the perfect companion to quench your thirst on the go. This amazing travel mug is designed with convenience and functionality in mind, making it ideal for your gym sessions, yoga classes, or outdoor adventures. With its cup holder compatible design, the Flip Traveler fits effortlessly into your car's cup holder, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite beverages wherever you go. And here's the best part, the flip lid locks in place, providing leak-proof performance, so you can drink worry-free, anytime, anywhere. But that's not all. The Flip Traveler keeps your beverages at their ideal temperature for hours on end. Thanks to its Thermo 3D double-wall vacuum insulation, your hot drinks stay piping hot and your cold drinks stay refreshingly chilled. Made with BPA-free stainless steel construction, the Flip Traveler guarantees durability and ensures that there's no flavor transfer between your beverages. And with its hard shell powder coating, this travel mug not only looks beautiful but also remains protected and preserved, even during rugged outdoor escapades. At MiiR, we believe in designing products that encompass 4 key principles: minimal, sustainable, functional, and enduring. Every Flip Traveler is designed in-house, ensuring that it meets these principles while adding a touch of stylish simplicity to your everyday life. So, what are you waiting for? Quench your thirst and enjoy your favorite beverages on the go with the Flip Traveler. It's a must-have companion for those who value convenience, functionality, and the joy of sipping in style.